Today I'm going to show you how to take a simple cardboard box and upcycle it into a beautiful storage bin. If that sounds like something you want to see, stick around. I've got 3 tutorials coming right up. Hey everybody, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're gonna find new videos right here every week. If that sounds like something you wanna see, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Today I am all about upcycling. We are gonna take some cardboard boxes, in fact I have 3 that have been laying around my house, and I'm gonna show you different ways to turn them into functional, beautiful storage. So we're gonna jump right into the first tutorial. For this first project, I am going to use a medium-sized cardboard box that I had on hand. I'm gonna start by just cutting off those flaps because we're not gonna need those. Then I'm gonna grab some fabric. This is a flannel fabric that I used for another project and I had some scraps left over. I'm also gonna use a ruler, some spray glue, a scissors, and a pencil. I'm gonna start by measuring my box and figuring out how big I need my fabric. I'm gonna spread this fabric out flat and then cut it to size to wrap just around the outside of the box. To adhere this fabric to the box, I'm going to use this spray glue. This works wonderful for so many different craft projects. I'm just going to spray a light coat onto the cardboard and then press the fabric onto it. And I'm going to repeat this process all the way around the box, making sure that I've got the edges sprayed on as well. Now that all the fabric is on the box all the way around, I'm going to add some handles to this box. To do this, I'm just going to grab that box cutter again, and I'm going to cut 2 small X's on one side of the box. Then I'm going to grab some thick twine and thread it through these holes. Then I'm just going to tie a knot at the edge of the twine so it doesn't pull back through. Repeat this process on the other side, and I've got 2 handles for this fabric covered box. Next up, I'm using a very small cardboard box, and again, I'm just going to use my box cutter to cut off those flaps because we won't be needing them. For this storage container, I am going to use that same rope and some hot glue. I am just going to secure the corner of the edge of the rope to the corner of the box, and then start wrapping that rope all the way around the box, securing it with hot glue as I go. And to finish off this box, I'm just going to make sure the rope goes all the way up to the top and then clip off the edges. This makes a great little caddy for pens, pencils, and a few notepads. Next up, I am using a shoe box without the lid, some scrapbook paper, and Mod Podge. I'm going to cut the scrapbook paper to fit the sides of the box. I'm going to use one style on the long sides and another color on the short sides. To adhere the paper to the box, I am just going to paint a light coat of Mod Podge onto the box and then paint a coat of Mod Podge onto the back of the paper. I'm going to press them onto one another and push down to make sure there's no bubbles. I'm going to repeat this for all the sides of the box and then fold the paper over to cover those edges as well. Once all the sides are covered, I'm going to set this aside to dry. When it's completely dry, I'm going to come back with another thin coat of Mod Podge to seal the paper and especially seal those edges. This box is in my kids' playroom and my daughter is using it for her camera, film, and other fun supplies. These cardboard boxes have been turned into beautiful pieces of storage. I'm using them all over my house and they look great. I love that I was able to save these boxes and use just a few simple craft supplies to take them up a notch. Let me know which one of these three was your favorite down in the comments. And if you like this video and want to see more simple, inspiring projects just like this, please subscribe to Creative Ramblings and I will see you for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.